What's the meaning of blue-eyed boy? Blue-eyed boy. Blue-eyed boy.
Blue-eyed boy. Blue-eyed boy. The phrase blue-eyed boy is an idiomatic expression that refers to a person who is held in high regard and is favored by someone in a position of power or authority. The term has been in use for over 2 centuries and is believed to have originated in the UK, where blue eyes were considered a desirable physical trait. The phrase is often used to describe a protégé or a favored individual who is given special treatment or favored above others. It conveys the idea of being a treasured or privileged person within a given context, typically a workplace or organization.